Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. This is our first video for the year 2025. I want to welcome you all to the year 2025. God bless you and keep you to the end of time. Happy New Year, guys. In today's video, we are making hot cocoa. These are the ingredients we are using. We have 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 170 grams of chocolate chips. We have some vanilla essence, which we use just a bit of toast. 3 tablespoons of light brown sugar, 115 grams of use some salt, 420 grams of fruit milk. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. So I just placed the saucepan on the source of heat. We are going to add in the whole milk. Then we add in the heavy cream. Then we add in the heavy cocoa powder, the brown sugar, a pinch of salt, and the vanilla. We whisk until everything combines. Now I'll add in the chocolates. Then mix until it dissolves and mixes with the chocolate mixture we are making. You can see it's not done yet, so we still need to mix a bit more. It's well mixed and it smells amazing. So I just let it cool off for a few minutes and this is how it looks like. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.